Can you make popcorn with a laser? Thank you, sir. I've got a bit of an idea. Basically, at the moment, it seems we've got the corns blowing all over the place. I think if we add a little bit of water, maybe it'll hold them in place, but also maybe the steam that's made will actually help kind of get that heat into the little kernels. So here we go. Thank you, sir. Well, it's definitely popping. Well, I would say that is a successful pop-tastic yes. You can make popcorn with a laser. Yeah, even tastes like popcorn. Fantastic. Easy. Yeah. So perhaps an obvious question, can you cook steak and chips with a laser? Ah, well, now we've got steak, probably time for chips. There you go, Paul. Chips are done. I made it. You get to eat it.
That'd do for starters.
Can you cook an egg and toast with a laser? Well, it would seem that either the bread is completely impervious to laser and then suddenly it starts to get completely incinerated. So, on average, I would say it's a nice piece of toast. Excellent. There you go, Paulie.
Thank you very much.
Oh, try not to break the yolk. That's what I have.
Oh, lovely. Thank
Look
you.
at that. Hang on. A few bits missing there, sir. There you go, Paul. Laser egg and toast for breakfast.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
Can you make s'mores with a laser? Yes, sir, you definitely can make a s'more with a laser. I eat mine with a laser. How do you eat yours?
Thanks for stopping by the workshop. If you enjoyed the video even just a little bit, then click like. If you hated it, well then click like 3 times. Also remember to leave your thoughts and your questions in the comments. And obviously we'd love to see you again soon, so please remember to click subscribe if you haven't already, and click the bell for notifications of when the next video is published or when I have some intriguing news.